In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add music to a Canva video. By the end, you'll know exactly how to bring your project to life with a soundtrack using Canva's built-in tools, quickly and confidently. Start in the Canva editor with your video project open. Look to the left-hand side of the screen for the main toolbar. Find and click the Elements button. This opens a panel filled with Canva's library of graphics and media you can add to your design. Even though Elements is commonly used for shapes, graphics, and stickers, it also gives you a simple way to surface audio choices through search. So it's a handy starting point when you're already working inside a video design. At the top of that Elements panel, you'll see a search field. Click into it and type the word audio. This tells Canva to show results related to sound and music. In a moment, you should see a selection of tracks appear, typically listed with titles, durations, and small waveform or category indicators. If you're browsing a large library, look for brief descriptions or genre tags to help you match the mood of your video. Calm for tutorials, upbeat for promos, or cinematic for dramatic intros. If a track has a duration label, use it as a quick guide to whether it might span your whole video or just a portion. When you spot a track you like, click and drag it from the panel down to the bottom of the editor onto the timeline area. That bottom section is where your video's scenes live, and it's also where audio sits as its own layer. Drop the track so it lands beneath your clips. It will snap into place, and you'll see an audio strip appear, confirming it's been added. Placing it at the very start lines the music up with the opening frame, which is ideal for most projects. If you prefer the music to begin later, simply release it a little further along the timeline so it starts at that point. Once the track is on the timeline, you'll notice the music is now part of your project. As you play your video, the soundtrack will follow along with your scenes. If you change your mind, you can drag the audio strip to a new position, or remove it, and try another track the same way by dragging and dropping from the search results. That's all it takes. Click Elements, type Audio, then drag and drop to the bottom timeline. With those three moves, your Canva video now has music to set the tone and elevate your story.